Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan, known for its beauty, peace, and cleanliness. It is a place where nature and modern life live together in harmony. As we begin our journey through the roads of this city, we see why Islamabad is often called one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The roads of Islamabad are wide, clean, and well planned. Trees stand tall on both sides, giving shade and color to the streets. You don't see the usual noise and traffic here. Instead, there's peaceful feeling, a quiet charm. Every road seems to lead to somewhere beautiful, a park, a movement, or a view of the Margla Hills in the distance. Driving through the city feels like a smooth ride through a painting. On one side, you see the greenery of the parks, and on other side, you see modern buildings shining under the sunshine. The air feels fresh and the surroundings make you slow down. Take a deep breath and enjoy the view. One of the most beautiful sights in Islamabad is the famous Faisal Mosque. As you drive near it, you see its white marble shine against the green hills. It's not just a mosque, it's a symbol of city, simple yet majestic. Many roads in the city seem to lead toward it, and it always looks peaceful, standing tall with the mountains behind it. From Constitution Avenue, where government buildings and national monuments stand with pride, to the quiet, holy road of Pir Sohawa. Every part of Islamabad has its own story. Constitution Avenue shows the strength of the country, with important places like the Parliament, the Supreme Court, and the Presidency. Yet, even here, nature is not forgotten. Trees and gardens are part of everything. The balance between nature and development is what makes Islamabad special. As we continue our journey, we pass by many beautiful areas. Damneko, where you can see the whole city from above, Rawal Lake with its calm water and lovely sunset view, and Shakarpariya, where history and greenery meet. Each road takes you to a new part of the city, but the feeling remains the same: peaceful, clean, and close to nature. In the early morning, the city wakes up slowly. The roads are almost empty, and the sun rises behind the hills, spreading soft golden light across the streets. Birds start singing, and everything feels fresh and full of hope. In evening, the city glows under the sunset. Street lights turn on, and the roads shine quickly as the day comes to an end. People here respect the beauty of their city. Many go out for walks or drives just to enjoy the view. Families, students, travelers all enjoy the calm road, the quiet parks, and the friendly feeling that Islamabad gives. There are no loud horns, no heavy crowd. It's a place where you can think, relax, and breathe. Even the smaller roads inside the sectors like F7, F6, G9 and other sectors are filled with charm. Little shops, cozy cafes, trees leaning over the streets, everything adds to the peaceful mood. The city is not just for show, it's made for people to live happily and to feel safe. Islamabad is also very green. There are parks everywhere, and nature is always close. No matter where you go, the Margla Hills National Park surrounds the city like a natural wall, keeping the air fresh and the view beautiful. On weekends, many people drive up to the places like Manal or Damneko to enjoy food and fresh air with a view. Islamabad teaches us the beauty doesn't always need to be loud or crowded. Sometimes beauty is in the silence, in clean roads, the trees that dance in the wind, and the hills that watch over you. Islamabad is a city of peace, not just in its roads and parks, but also in its soul. As we move through these roads, with the wind in our hair and peace in our hearts, we see a city that doesn't rush, a city that breathes with nature. This is not just a journey through a city, it is a journey through calmness, balance, and beauty. This is Islamabad, clean, green, peaceful, a city made with care and live with love.